Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. Yay, it's almost over. We have 6 days left to get our work done. So let's give it the big push at the end where we can get the highest grade possible. Um, week 6, I you I'm going to put it in announcements and show you where you should be for your online lab for week 6. You should be turning in 3 worksheets for the online lab, um, and so that you can get full points. I've noticed in the past, some students miss the 2 extra links that are in there. So watch your announcements. I'm going to put that in there. And this week it's about safety and security, as far as knowing how to use a fire extinguisher in the case of an emergency, knowing how to use your crash cart. Um, I will post my tutoring recordings on that, so please watch that. That will be in announcements for you. The videos to watch so you know how to use a fire extinguisher if you need to know what the crash cart is. The crash cart should be checked monthly at least. How to, we will also, my video also goes over um, inventory and moving your oldest medications to the front. And putting your newest ones in the back so that we're not wasting medication. So um, we're not throwing away medications, because if we don't use it and we have to throw it away, then it affects our revenue in our office. So we don't want to do that. Um, the video also goes over ergonomics. Ergonomics, there's many. If you look in your um, videos for week 6, it talks about ergonomics, the proper way to put things on a shelf, take things off of a shelf, that sort of thing. This is very important, and I stress ergonomics to my students a lot, only because of the fact that I have been in the field for a very long time, and not only have I worked in the administrative side and been at a desk all the time, I've also worked in the patient care side, where if you have to transfer a patient, there's a proper way to transfer a patient. Um, I've had patients stick their legs out when I'm transferring them from a bed to a wheelchair, where I almost went down and they almost went down to the floor. Um, so ergonomics is very important. You don't want to end up later on in life, which I have seen happen to many of my colleagues, as well as myself. You may not realize that by not lifting properly or bending at the knees when you go to pick something up, that you have injured yourself. That injury may show up later on. So ergonomics is a huge, very important thing, as well as the medications. Um, so please watch my video that I will post in announcements for week 6 on proper ergonomics, and where to find your 2 other links besides your regular worksheet, um, in your instructions for week 6 online lab. Again, I want to remind all of you that Friday, there's only 6 days left. You do not have until Sunday of next week to finish your work. You only have until Friday. So make sure that you've done your final exam, that all your work is in, because you won't be able to submit the work once they shut down um, Canvas, and Canvas automatically shuts down. I don't have any control over that. I want you all to be very successful and to pass my class with the highest grade possible. I know you can do it. I'm here to help you if you need help. All you have to do is reach out to me via text or phone call. You can call me on my cell phone anytime. If I'm on another phone call, I will call you back, leave a message, or text me. This is a final push. We can do this. You can do this. I have complete faith in all of you, and I'm excited to see you all pass and continue on in your journey. So, there again, I will post in announcements, reminders. You'll see a lot of reminders from me probably this week about your work being due and submitting. So, just let me know if you need me, and have a good week.